In the late 1970s, as gas quality was beginning to mature, there was primarily one method of going from high-pressure pipelines to online GCs, gas chromatographs, or to calorimeters. This was to take step-down regulation, multi-stage regulation, to avoid creating liquids from the Joule-Thomson effect. The liquids, if created, would be very harmful to get into the analytical device. So there was another method that needed to be developed. R.H. Bob Welker of Welker and Charles Drake of Natural Gas Pipeline Company of North America began to develop a probe regulator that would revolutionize the online gas chromatograph and gas quality measurement industry forever. The idea of taking a pressure cut in the pipeline and letting the warm pipeline gas offset and mitigate the Joule-Thomson effect was something that had never been done before. It seemed like a very reasonable approach to go far or get away from the multi-stage regulation that was going on at the time. One regulator rather than 3 or 4 to accomplish the pressure cut needed to get into the analyzer. After a series of tests at Chocolate Bio, which is south of Houston, the innovative theory became reality. The probe regulator, taking the pressure cut inside the flowing stream, letting the thermal fins, which are at the bottom of the probe, work and offset the Joule-Thomson effect, which was going on after the pressure cut. One pressure cut and direct feed into the analyzer. The IRD was born and changed the gas industry approach to online measurement. For I for instrument, R for regulator, and D for Drake, in appreciation for Charlie Drake's input and help in testing of this device. The IRD is a fixed regulator. It screws directly into the pipeline and is installed in thousands of locations worldwide. Shortly after this design was developed, it became important to get this device into larger high-pressure pipelines without depressurizing the systems. Welker had a device called an automatic insertion device, was using it on other products in their product line, and it is a patented design. We took the IRD and established it on the automatic insertion device, which is seen here, and that allowed us to go directly into high-pressure pipelines of larger diameter without blowing down the pipeline for installation. This was a patented concept, and the IRA was then patented along with it. That unit is also installed in multiple locations, thousands of locations worldwide. The original design and the original IRD and IRA were designed to not create liquids where liquids did not exist. The measurement world of the 1970s and 1980s did not see and allow rich hydrocarbon streams in transmission lines where this device was installed. Pipelines had gas processing plants which stripped the liquids out and guaranteed that the pipeline would be free of liquids and would have clean and dry natural gas flowing through it. The IRA and the IRD were the answers to the gas industry at that time. They took a clean, dry natural gas from the pipeline and presented clean, dry natural gas to the analyzer. Others have similarly designed probe regulators for this industry and have also introduced tips at the bottom that will shed hydrocarbon liquids and water from the flowing stream and prevent them from getting to the analyzer. Welker also provides such a tip, but with the clear understanding that the shedding of the liquids in the pipeline and making sure that only the natural gas at flowing conditions gets to the analyzer is indeed letting the BTU value of the hydrocarbon liquids go by undetected and unaccounted for. And people need to be aware that that is the process that would happen as a result of that. Preventing free water and free liquids from getting to the analyzer also prevents the awareness of the BTU value of the hydrocarbon liquids that are in the pipeline. That's the background to the Welker IRD and the IRA, the original designed regulators. You can always look to Welker for fresh and long-lasting original ideas. So the IRD and the IRA become another Welker original innovative design to improve measurement quality aspect of our industry and to increase savings for your company. Welker leads.